Here at Greg May Honda, we have been doing business with Petra since the inception in 2010 and are proud to be known as one of their very first clients.
I've been doing business with Petra and Arnold almost for 5 years now.
We chose Petra for their economic values, for what they brought to us as far as pricing and helping us in the service department with a one-stop shop for all the products that we needed at the best prices that we had found.
They actually made the product that I wanted, the way I wanted it, and the way I wanted to present it to my customers. So it was very customized for my clientele. It's simple, it's easy, and it's a good product. It works.
We like most about Petra their warranty, the lifetime warranty that Petra gives our customers and products. And what that does is it gives us an advantage in the marketplace because our customers keep coming back. It's a great retention program to keep our customers coming in our service drive because they have a peace of mind that no one else can give.
The penetration of the product is high. So we're always at around 45% penetration throughout every year. Using Petra products adds about $1 million to my bottom line every year.